If you are looking for a rigid versatile without breaking the bank, consider these 5 XUV, priced lower than the new Honda XAVD scooter. From compact crossover to the feature compact subcompact, these vehicles offer a perfect blend of style, space, and performance. They are an attractive option for those who are seeking for an advance and practicality. Discover these 5 XUV that offer more in less price. The first one is we consider the Honda XAVD, which is a range about 11.9 lakhs. The newly launched Honda XAVD is a unique maxi scooter designed for the rider searching for the versatile, compact, and performance for both on-roading and off-roading. It features a 745cc liquid cooling parallel twin engine that generates the power output of 57 horsepower and with a 69 Nm of peak torque. It uses a dual clutch transmission for seamless gear shifting. Okay, let's move to the next. The next is Tata Punch. The range of this vehicle is around 5.9 lakhs. The Tata Punch is a micro SUV and is positioned below the Tata Nexon in the company XUV lineup. It is designed with a rigid appeal but offer a city-friendly package. It is priced lower than the Honda XAVD, thus position itself as a more accessible option. It features two engine options. The first one is 1.2 liters, which is a petrol engine that gives 86 horsepower and 150 Nm torque, while the 1.2 liter engine, which is also compact with the CNG engine, produces a torque of 103 and 72 horsepower. And the next is a Kia Sonet, which is around 7.9 lakhs. Kia Sonet is a compact SUV available in the Indian market, built on the Honda Kia K2 platform. It's blend in the dynamic style with the advanced feature. The XUV caters to a urban driver seeking a seamless experience in sub 4-meter vehicle, and interestingly, it costs less than the Honda XAVD. It boasts three engine option, which is a 1.2 liter petrol that gives a horsepower of 81.8 and a torque power of 115 Nm. While the another engine is a 1 liter engine that is a petrol engine, and it is providing a 118 horsepower and 175 Nm torque. And the last engine is 1.2 liter, which is also a petrol engine, and that offer a torque of 250 Nm and the horsepower of 114. It's come equipped with a 5-speed manual transmission and 6-speed ITM and 6 automatic transmission and 7-speed DTC options. Next, move to the Maruti. In Maruti segment, we have a Maruti Suzuki Fox, which is ranged about 7.54 lakhs. Maruti Suzuki Fox is a stylish compact SUV that blends with the design and the technology. Fronts offer a dynamic driving experience, particularly tailoring for the urban and the highway use. Moreover, it is affordable and reliable, make it accessible for SUV in its segment. It features 3 engine options. The first one is 1.2 liter K series petrol engine that generates the 88 horsepower and 113 nanometer of torque. And the other engine is a 1.2 liter CNG engine that develops 76 horsepower and 98 Nm torque. And the last engine is 1 liter K series engine, which is a turbo engine that crank about 98 horsepower and 147 nanometer torque. It utilizes a 5-speed manual transmission and 5-speed automatic manual transmission and the 6-speed automatic transmission. And the next is our Mahindra Mahindra XUV 3XO, which range about 7.9 lakhs. The Mahindra XUV 3XO is another affordable and reliable XUV that caters to the need of the wide segment of drivers. It offers a 3-engine option, 1.2 liter TCMFI engine that generates 109 horsepower and 200 torque, and the other one is 1.2 liter S station TGDI engine that produces a power output of 128 horsepower and 230 Nm torque. And the last one is 1.5 liter turbo diesel engine with a CDR engine that produces a propeller of 115 horsepower and 300 Nm torque. It is equipped with a 6-speed manual transmission and 6-speed automatic transmission and 6-speed auto shift plus transmission option. And the last one is Honda Venue, which is range about rupees 7.94 lakhs. The Honda Venue is a compact SUV that combines modern design, advanced feature and efficient performance, making it popular choice in the Indian automotive market. It offers the 3 engines. The first one is 1.2 liter Kappa MP petrol engine that develop 81 horsepower and 113 torque. And the next one is 1 liter turbo GDI petrol engine that generates the 118 horsepower and 172 Nm torque. And the last one is 1.5 liter GRDI VGT diesel engine that gives the 113 horsepower and 250 Nm torque. It pairs with a 5-speed manual transmission and 6-speed manual transmission. Thank you.